Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. And then today here we have a setup of a motor which is driven by the RS232 which is driven by this computer using the RS232 protocol. And here we have our power supply, which is at 3 volts. We have our ammeter, which is currently reading 0 because our motor is not moving. We are trying to measure the current that is being drawn by the motor when it's moving. Here we have a MOSFET. If we take a close look at the MOSFET, then we have our this is the wire going to our source, and this is the wire from the drain. The drain is not going straight to the motor. The drain here is not going straight to the motor, but instead it's going to the ammeter and then goes through the ammeter and comes back from the ammeter using this wire here, and from this wire it goes straight to the motor. Meaning when we switch on here, let's say there's a communication between, we have a postgrad here and we have a supervisor here on the other room. Let's pretend it's on the other room, and the student is feeling cold, he wants the fan on. We say, please switch on the fan, and then there is showing the postgrad is asking for the supervisor to switch on the fan, and the supervisor does switch on the fan. Supervisor switched on the fan. If you come here, you will see it is moving, and we have a reading here on our multimeter, and we have a voltage here as before. And now it's starting to be cold, and the student says, switch it off. Off, please. And the supervisor switched it off, and then now the motor is stopped, and we don't have reading here and here. And thank you for watching this video. Okay, on again. If you do on, then if you do off.